So we're gonna try to run and catch that bus if we can. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're in coloane, and there's a whole bus right here. They're all going to take this bus to the border. So I think they're going to the border. But yeah, that's Villa de Coloane right there. But this bus goes to the border. I don't know if they're going there or not. Let's just see what else is around here. So yeah, it says Portos do Cerco, the border. Just to see what else we can find around here. So we're gonna go straight ahead and kind of want to get to, let's see here. Kind of want to take this bus to the beach today. This place is, let's see, price this. This one, me, Macau. Okay, I think we're gonna try to see if we can get across this. So I want to get on this Hoxa beach bus, but I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can get on this one. Can I get on this bus? No. Is it over here or this way? That way? I guess I can't get on that one. Oh, okay, it's up here. So anyways, we're in coloane trying to get to the beach, and apparently I thought I was on a bus to the beach, but apparently I'm not. And he says I go this way, but I'm not so sure about that either. I think this one goes back to, I'm pretty sure that goes back to the city. Anyways, let's see if that guy, I don't know, he might. Let's try to see if we can figure this out. I think it's gonna go that way. Let's see if that guy, oh yeah, he is gonna go this way. Oh yeah. So we're gonna try to run and catch that bus if we can. Oops. Thank you.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.